Hello viewers, welcome to Prime Number Validation Tutorial. In this video, you shall learn how to write a Python code to test if a given integer is a prime number. However, before we dive into programming the algorithm for our problem solution, I think it would make sense to remind you what a prime number is. A prime number is a positive integer greater than 1 that has no positive integer divisors other than 1 and itself. In other words, a prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. For example, the first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and so on. Prime numbers have important applications in fields such as cryptography and number theory. They also have practical uses in computer science and engineering, such as in generating random numbers for security protocols or in designing efficient algorithms for data processing. Determining whether a given number is prime or not is an important problem in mathematics and computer science, and various algorithms have been developed for this purpose. This video will teach you one of the numerous algorithms for validating a number as prime. Without any further ado, let's dive right into coding. Now, I'm going to define a function with the identifier is prime and a parameter n test if n is less than 2 and return false. Otherwise, loop through all the numbers between 2 and n to test if n could be divided. If n could be divided by any of the numbers except itself. If any of the numbers could divide n, then return false. Since n can only be divided by itself and 1, if none of the numbers could divide n, then return true, which means that n is a prime number. We are done with our function. Now let's call our function is prime and pass in a value, say 5 in this case. You can see that 5 is a prime number. Let's call it again. In passing a larger prime number, 17. As you can see, 17 is prime. However, when we call this function with 27 as the argument, we get false because 27 is not a prime number. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more helpful videos like this one.